Jones here. I have a video for you today. What I do is bar chord preparation. Now, what does this mean? All right, when you put up the bar, a lot of the times it's the first opportunity you're going to have to use these three fingers. All right, so before we get to the point of putting up the bar, let's try forming the three basic chord shapes with these three fingers. First one, the E chord. You see what we did here? You're familiar with the form. The only difference is that now the third finger is on the B bass. No, in other words, on the 5th string, 2nd fret, use your third finger. On the 4th string, 2nd fret, use your 4th finger. On the 3rd string, 1st fret, use your 2nd finger. Here's what it looks like. 3, 4, 2. So as opposed to this, we're doing this. Because when it comes time to put up the bar, let's say for what we call an F chord, now you've already have some familiarity of using these three strings, of these three fingers. See what I did? Okay, the next chord, the A chord. For the A chord, again, you're familiar with it, right? There's a couple of ways you might do this, but for this, you need to use this particular fingering. 4th string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger. 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger. 2nd string, 2nd fret, 4th finger. Okay? In case I mentioned it backwards, which I often do, all right, here's what it looks like. All right, all I'm doing is on the D string, 2nd finger, on the G string, 3rd finger, everything is the 2nd fret, okay? And on the 2nd string, all right, that's your A chord. To practice, use a metronome, set it to whatever tempo you want, you know, slowly, all downstrokes, clean chord changes. 3, 4. Make sure the chord changes are clean. Okay, don't do this. Don't do that, okay? After you get the clean chord change down, if you decide at that point you want to, you know, that's up to you. But for practice and coordination with the metronome, 3, 4. One other chord form. This one, you know, the C chord. It's probably one of the first ones you've learned, right? The difference here is what's happening on the 5th string, where normally you use your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, you're going to use your 4th finger on the 3rd fret. On the 4th string, you're going to use your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, And on the second string, you're going to use your second finger on the first fret. Here's what it looks like. All right. Now to strum it, you could do it with the E chord. You know, you can make up your own chord patterns using those 3 chords. The purpose here is we want to build up a little strength with these 3 fingers, because later on, when you add the bar, all right, you can concentrate more on keeping the bar straight, because these fingers are already going to have a general idea of what to do. So with the metronome, here's what you could do, and again, make up your own stuff. You could go 2, 3, 4. You can go up. If you want to use the C chord. Remember, keep it all downstrokes. Now it's just a little something for bar chord preparation, all right? And it's with the major chords, because the minor chords, that'll be another time, another video, all right? But once you have the principle of these 3 fingers, then when we're ready to put up the bar, you're going to find that it's going to be just a little bit easier for you. All right, questions? Comments below. Take care, enjoy, and have fun with this.